Hey, listen guys, I'm gonna show you the the freezer, the only one who snored, and it's amazing. You won't believe it. Listen this freezer. Now, let me bring you guys a little bit closer to the freezer. Now, let's see what is inside. Okay? Just shh. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna check this freezer is a snore. Okay? So, let's see. We're gonna do open the door very slow, alright? Okay, open. Wow, this freezer is really a snore. Okay, so now close the door. Okay. Oop, almost stopped snoring. But the freezer is sleeping right now. Okay, so we're gonna let this freezer sleep. Maybe this little freezer is tired. It's tired to working very hard because it could maintain food for you know long time. So we're gonna let this freezer sleeping. Thank you for watching.